Come with me on a typical day in the life of an aerospace engineer. Today, I want to show you multiple things. By the end of the video, I'm gonna show you how I designed this desk organizer. But first, I usually start my mornings checking documents, emails, so the boring stuff. Today, in the morning, the first thing I did was to check my scraper, which is a simple software I designed myself with the help of some AI tools to look in specific websites, like in this case on Reddit. This scraper allows me to automatically search posts, themes, and other topics that I'm interested in. As you can see, I scrapes mostly stuff about aerospace, engineer, and skydiving. If I find something interesting, I go to the link and I read through the comments. And if I find multiple times the same problem or issue, I maybe think about on designing a new service or product based on that specific pain that I find with my scraper. After that, a little bit of CAD. I don't know about you, but when it comes to CAD, I start using pen and paper to understand what I'm about to draw with the CAD software, because otherwise I will be lost pretty soon during the designing process. Quick lunch and back on the laptop. In the afternoon, what I did was designing stuff. I really like designing new objects, but I first start on Pinterest to see some designs and take some inspirations on how to design my new item to put on my online shop. In this case, the goal was to design a desk organizer. So back to the CAD software. This is the first and pretty ugly version of this pen holder or desk organizer. Call it as you wish. It's composed by 3 pieces, 2 small ones, and the third, which is the big one where you put all your pens. I decided to add a hidden feature on this product, which is magnets. And with this sketch, I was trying to figure out where to put the magnets in order to have the best combinations from the magnets. And a couple of hours, 3D printed the first prototype, and now, as you can see, there is a bit of cleaning the 3D printed prototype. As a rule of thumb, the better you are with the slicer, which is the software of the 3D printer, the less cleaning you have to do after the prototype is ready. In this case, as you can see, I did not do a nice job with the slicer, so I had to do a lot of cleaning, mostly because to insert the magnets I had to create holes, so that means you have to add some type of supports, and after the printing you have to remove those supports without damaging the product. So it's a bit it's a bit of a boring process, but that's part of the game, right? Now I'm testing the right positions of the magnets to see if I did everything right as I was planning to do with my sketch before. This is a small trick I learned in the past. If you mess up something with the 3D printer, you can warm up your object Not too much, because otherwise you're gonna ruin the prototype, but after that I could remove the magnets pretty easily. And this is the first prototype. Don't look at the colors, they're not the final ones. Point of this test was to check the magnets combination and the shapes and the design overall. If I maybe messed up something in the CAD, now was the time. In fact, what I discovered was that the height or altitude of the desk organizer was a little bit too short. In fact, as you can see, pencils are not really stable on this design. So after a few adjustments, I ended up with this final product. White and terracotta colors. Magnets now fits perfectly, and you can see and hear the clicks of the magnets. So satisfying. And this is pretty much it. Simple design, take a little bit of time, but now I've got my desk organizers that I can use it every day. And let me know what you think about this in the comments. See ya!